Hey, what's up guys? This is David. Let's check out the many different drive modes on the 2026 Ioniq 9. There's two terrains that you could drive this car in. The regular road, and then you have your off-road terrains. For regular driving modes, as far as you're cruising down the street, regular gravel, you have Eco to choose from, which will get you the best battery per mile. Then your normal commuting, going here to the store. Next one down, if you want to get to the store a lot quicker, you go to sport mode. Scroll a little bit more down. Next one over is My Drive, which you can customize in your settings. Now, if you feel a little bulky and want to go on a terrain, go ahead and select the terrain mode. Now from here, you have your snow to choose from. You go to Big Bear Lot, select snow. Then you have mud. You like going to the river where you might get stuck. Then you also have sand. You ever want to go to Glamis? You can. So those are the three different terrain modes, besides the regular gravel terrain that you have Eco, Normal, Sport, and My Drive to choose from. To customize My Drive, scroll over to the right, Setup, Vehicle, Drive Mode. This is where you're able to select your drive mode. So if you want your custom setting on your motor to be at Sport, but you want your steering to be nice and smooth, like you're in Eco or Normal mode, you can have that as well. But if you want everything in Sport mode, you have your motor in Sport, your steering in Sport, will cause it to get a little stiffer. This is meant more for agile driving, cornering, more control of the car. Or you could switch it up. You want Eco mode, you want to save all the battery in the world. With having Sport suspension to your driving, you can have that as well. So this will all be under My Drive. Come back over your brake mode. You could select from normal or activate it to Sport. Drive mode change alert, so shows details of the drive mode change and a vehicle image highlighting the area involved. So right now we have everything set to Sport, brake mode. Let's put our motor back in Sport. It's not really recommended to get the most battery out of this car, but I like having fun. Under climate control Eco mode, it helps decrease the energy consumption by reducing the heating and cooling power of the climate control system. So in other words, if you want your AC to be blasting, but you don't want it to get too cold, which will take away from the battery, you could select it here, which will automatically put your AC to Eco mode. That's for full control of your AC. If you want it blasting cold and you want to have shivers while you drive, you want to select climate control Eco mode. All right guys, thanks for watching. Any questions, go ahead and drop it in the comments.